This is going to blow your mind. Becoming a locksmith could be the best decision you ever make. Imagine this. No more boring 9-to-5 routines. As a locksmith, you get flexibility and independence. Plus, you're always in demand. Doors, locks, keys, they're not going anywhere. You might be thinking, why locksmithing? Well, here's why. The UK government has approved a number of locksmith training courses. They're top-notch and give you the skills you need to succeed. With the right training, you can start earning big. Put in the hours and you can see some serious cash. But it's not just about money. Imagine the satisfaction of helping someone in a jam. You're not just fixing locks, you're saving the day. So why wait? Unlock your potential and start a rewarding career as a locksmith today. Your future is just one turn of the key away. Visit trainlocksmiths.co.uk to learn more.